In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of lucid dreaming and how you can learn to experience this rare phenomenon. From creating the perfect sleeping environment to practicing visualization exercises, we'll guide you through the techniques and skills necessary to become lucid in your dreams. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and unlock the potential of your subconscious mind. Lucid dreaming is the state of awareness that one experiences while they are still asleep. It is a rare phenomenon that allows the dreamer to recognize that they are dreaming and to take control of their dreams. This phenomenon has fascinated many writers and thinkers throughout history who have sought to explore the mysteries of the human mind and consciousness. To learn how to lucid dream, one must first create the right conditions for sleep. The bed should be comfortable, and the room should be dark and quiet. One should clear their mind of any distractions and focus on their breath as they fall into slumber. As they drift off into the dream world, the dreamer should remain aware of their surroundings and try to recognize any unusual or surreal aspects of their dreams. Once the dreamer realizes that they are dreaming, they can begin to take control of the dream's narrative. They can explore their surroundings, interact with dream characters, and even change the dream's setting or storyline. To maintain control of the dreamer must remain calm and focused, resisting the temptation to wake up or get lost in the dream's narrative. There are several techniques that one can use to increase their chances of experiencing lucid dreaming. One popular method is to perform reality checks throughout the day. This involves questioning whether one is awake or dreaming by looking for signs that are impossible in waking life. For example, one might try to push their finger through their hand or look at a clock twice in quick succession to see if the time has changed. Another technique that can be helpful is dream journaling. This involves keeping a journal by the bedside to write down any dreams that one can remember upon waking. By reviewing these dreams regularly, the dreamer can begin to recognize patterns and themes in their dreams, which can help them to identify when they are dreaming. Visualization exercises can also be useful for improving one's ability to lucid dream. This involves mentally rehearsing the experience of becoming lucid in a dream and imagining how one would react and behave in that scenario. By practicing this visualization regularly, the dreamer can build up their confidence and increase their chances of experiencing lucid dreaming. Certain lifestyle factors can affect one's ability to lucid dream. For example, avoiding alcohol and drugs can help to improve the quality of sleep, making it easier to enter the state of lucid dreaming. Similarly, getting enough restful sleep, practicing good sleep hygiene, and reducing stress levels can all contribute to a more conducive environment for lucid dreaming. Ultimately, the key to lucid dreaming is practice and persistence. It may take some time for the dreamer to develop the skills and techniques necessary to become lucid in their dreams. Yet with patience and dedication, anyone can learn to harness the power of their subconscious mind and unlock the mysteries of their dreams. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon that has captivated the imagination of writers and thinkers throughout history. To learn how to lucid dream, one must create the right conditions for sleep and remain aware of their surroundings. Practice techniques such as reality checks, dream journaling, and visualization exercises. With practice and persistence, anyone can experience the wonder and excitement of lucid dreaming and unlock the potential of their subconscious mind. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you.